Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Ford Ranger key fob. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you can clearly see all the small components. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the casing. This is usually where the two halves meet. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and pop out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly in its compartment. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct click, which confirms that the casing is securely closed. Give it a quick squeeze around the edges to ensure there are no gaps. Finally, take your newly reassembled key fob to your Ford Ranger and test its functionality. Try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.